Hello students, so we were actually solving a few problems from the chapter Trigonometric Functions, class 11, exercise 3.3. So we will continue with a few more problems. Problem 22, cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x. So we have to prove that this is equal to 1. Now from these two expressions, let me take cot 3x common. So we have cot x into cot 2x minus cot 3x is taken common. Since I have taken minus outside, I would get cot 2x plus cot x. So now let me split 3x as x plus 2x. So you have cot x plus 2x and I will use this formula. So x is x itself, y is 2x. So I would get minus, so this term remains as it is, cot x into cot y is 2x minus 1 divided by cot y, it is 2x, plus cot x, the whole thing into cot 2x plus cot x. So cot 2x plus cot x is common, it gets cancelled. So we have cot x, cot 2x. So now let me remove the bracket. So I get minus cot x, cot 2x, minus into minus plus 1. So these two gets cancelled. Answer is 1. So next 24th one, 23rd one we have already solved in the previous video. So I will write 4x as 2 into 2x. Alright. So here instead of x I have 2x. So we'll use the formula given here. We know that cos 2 x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. So instead of x I have 2x. So this will be 1 minus 2 sine square, instead of x I have 2x, which is equal to 1 minus 2. What is sine 2x? We know that sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x with a square on top. So you have 1 minus 2, 2 square is 4 sine squared x cos squared x, which is 1 minus 2 into 4 is 8 sine squared x cos squared x, and this is the RHS required. A very simple problem. So here the last problem, 25th one, we need to prove that cos 6x equals the RHS. There are different ways of solving this problem. The easiest way is to break 6x. So I can write 6x as 3 into 2x, right? So we have cos 3 times 2x. So it's like cos 3 theta. So instead of x I have 2x. So cos 3x equals, so wherever x is there I have to put 2x. So we use this formula here. So cos 3x equals 4 cos cube, instead of x I have 2x, minus 3 cos, instead of x I have 2x. So this is 4 cos cube 2x. So since all the terms in the right hand side you have cos, so we know that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos squared x minus 1. So I'll write it as 2 cos squared x minus 1 the whole cube minus 3. What is cos 2x? Again 2 cos squared x minus 1. So this is of the form a minus b whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, where a is 2 cos squared x and b is 1. We have to remember that. So a cube, what is a cube? 2 cos squared x whole cube minus b is 1 cube minus 3ab, or I can even write it as minus 3a squared b plus 3ab square, right? If I expand, so I can directly write it as minus 3a square 4 cos power 4x, this is 3 into 4, plus 3a into b square. So this completes finding the cube of this expression, minus 3 into 2 cos squared x is 6 cos squared x, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. So now let me simplify this. So this is 2 cos squared x the whole cube. So 2 cube is 8. Cos square x the whole cube is cos power 6x, minus 1 cube is 1, minus 3 into 4 is 12 cos 4x, plus 3 into 2 is 6 cos squared x, minus 6 cos squared x plus 3. So now let me multiply 4 with all these terms. So we get 4 into 8 is 32 cos power 6x, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, 4 into minus 12 is minus 48 cos power 4x, 4 into 6 is 24 cos squared x, then you have minus 6 cos squared x plus 3. So you have 32 cos power 6x, then 48 minus 48 cos power 4x, 24 minus 6 is plus 18 cos squared x, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So this is the required RHS.